Okay, so what we have here is some daikon radish, carrot and some garlic, which is all nicely chopped up, ready to go. We've got some sweet capsicums, all chopped up, ready to go. We've got some kimchi, which I made just over a week ago, and I will do a video on how to make that as well. And then we've got the juice from the kimchi, which I've just poured into this jar. As you can see, there's lots of flavours in the bottom of it, a bit of chilli, which we're going to use to help ferment these other two products here. So first of all, we'll do the sweet peppers. Very simple and easy. Take a teaspoon of the Himalayan salt and just sprinkle it in there. Take a teaspoon of the apple cider vinegar. Make sure that it's raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar. I'll post the recipe and explain why that's what we want. And then add that into there. And then we're going to take some of the liquid and we're going to pour it in. Not all of it, because we need some more of it for our other vegetables. Add that in. So what we want to do is we want to actually cover all of the sweet peppers. So we're going to add some more water into it. Just make sure that it's covered. Beautiful. And I'm just going to give it a little bit of a stir. Just like that. Simple. Oh, God, you can smell this. Amazing. And we're going to put a lid on it. And then we're going to let that ferment on the counter for a week. It will start to fizzle and bubble. Just give it some airing every single day. Some people call it burping. But just basically take the lid off it, let it breathe, just push down to make sure that the brine is covering the vegetables. Pop the lid on, pop it to the side, and then we are going to do the next lot, which is the daikon radish and the carrot and some some garlic, sorry. So you can add this in. And basically, it's exactly the same. You get to use 1 teaspoon of the salt and 1 teaspoon of the apple cider vinegar. Just going to pour that in. Doesn't matter if it's a little bit more, that's fine. Just make sure it's not a little bit less. And then we're going to pack in the rest of the vegetables. Really get in there. Make sure your hands are clean, obviously, whenever you're in the kitchen. If you break it up, this daikon is really fresh, so it's really quite delicate, which is going to taste delicious. Make sure you get some of the garlic in there. That's good to go. Alright, now we're going to put in the rest of the kimchi juice. Add that in, and that's got lots of chili in it, so that's going to taste really nice. And we're just going to fill the rest up with the water, and obviously there's not enough water there, but that's fine, I'll do it afterwards. So push it down, make sure that it's underneath the brine, it's completely covered. Again, put the lid on it, put it to the side for a week. Make sure that you're opening it every day just to give it some air. It might fizzle up a little bit and spurt over, so just clean it up and then redo it. That's a really good sign. It means that it's fermenting very well. And that's the way that you just make 2 really easy pickled vegetables. Thank you.